Here's how to back up and restore WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. Now let's first head into the Settings app on your iPhone. We need to make sure it is turned on that you're backing up to the iCloud. So at the very top, let's tap on your name. And after you've done that, let's tap on where it says iCloud here. You can see Save to iCloud, and it'll be a long list of everything that is being backed up to your iCloud. Let's hit the See All button. And after we've done that, scroll down until you find WhatsApp on this list. So there it is. Now, if this is turned off, it won't be backing up to your iCloud, so make sure to toggle it on. But next, we would want to hop out of there and go into WhatsApp. Let's make sure that is backed up either on a weekly or daily basis, and we can also manually back it up. To do that, tap on Settings at the bottom right, and then we're going to scroll down and tap on Chats here. After you've done that, you can see there is Chat Backup. Just tap on that. And you can see the last backup was Saturday. If you don't have auto backup turned on, I would recommend either weekly or daily. After you've done that, you can also just tap on Backup Now. So we've gone through the process of backing up all of that chats, but keep in mind you also want to turn on Include Videos so that it basically doesn't lose any of those videos. After you've gone through that process, let's restore all of those chats by pressing and holding on the app and tapping Remove and Delete the app. Now, all we need to do is go back into the App Store or Google Play Store if you're on Android, and we're going to go through the process of downloading WhatsApp again. So I'm just going to type in WhatsApp in search, and then I'm going to download the app just like that. It'll start downloading the app, and after it's downloaded, we can go through the process of restoring all of those chats from the iCloud backup back into WhatsApp, and we won't miss anything. So let's open it up here and hit Agree and Continue and Continue. Now, after we've done that, you do need to enter in your phone number. So I'm going to choose, for instance, this one, and I can just use my Face ID. Keep in mind, if you enter in your phone number, it might text you a code basically to get everything back. And it says now restore from iCloud. It says date today at 10:58 a.m., the one we just did, and I can just hit restore. Just like that, it will download everything, including all the photos and videos from all those chats. And after it's fully done, all of the messages will be back as if I never deleted it.